morning, guys, and welcome back. Today's daily reminder is a simple one, guys, and that is do not regret your decisions. If you manage to buy, for example, these NTES contracts around here, around $2 and change, maybe between $2 and $2.50, and you just happen to get out right around here when it hit $1 to $3.50. Don't be that guy or girl that says, "Oh man, I'm so upset with myself. This thing keeps running, it keeps running," and then decide to jump back in here at $4.50 or even $5 only to come up to this. Oh, it goes up to $6, and then it reverses on you, and now it's down to $3 here. Okay, so basically, just don't regret your decisions. If you had a solid reason to make that money, make your money and call it a day. Do not keep chasing. Do not keep chasing things away and then give up all your profits. So that's all it is for today, guys. Do not regret your decisions. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's make that money.
More money, more money! Ah, all very exciting.